Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to clear the printer's queue. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to clear the printer's queue, first of all go to Start and over here search for Printer. And on the top you can find this Printer and Scanner. Click on this and over here on Printer and Scanner, you can find your printer which is connected to your system. For now, I'll go with this Epson printer. Now, when I click on this printer, you can see here is Open Queue. Click on this and you can see here is the documents which are queue on my printer. Here is one print of 19 pages and another of 1 page. Now, to clear them, first of all, select them all. Right click and you can see here is Cancel. Click on this Cancel and click this Yes. And you can see we have deleted the queue. In this way we can clear printer's queue. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.